Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the LG TV and grabbing the remote. Navigate to Settings, then All Settings, and choose Network. This is where the reset lives. You should note your Wi-Fi name and password now so reconnecting is quick. Once done, select Wi-Fi connection or wired connection depending on how you're connected. This initial step locates the controls and preserves credentials, which saves time later. So don't skip jotting down or memorizing that network info before you continue. Now you perform the actual reset, go into Network Settings, pick Wi-Fi or Wired, and open Advanced Settings. You'll see options like Forget Network or Reset to Default. Choose the one that clears saved networks. Confirm when prompted. The TV will remove saved SSIDs and certificates, which is why you recorded the password earlier. Make sure you wait for the TV to finish clearing settings. Interrupting power now can leave configuration in an inconsistent state, so be patient until the process completes. After the reset, reboot both the TV and your router to refresh network assignments, then reconnect using the Wi-Fi name and password you saved. If it won't connect, check IP settings, switch to DHCP if you had a static IP, and make sure MAC filtering isn't blocking the TV. If problems persist, perform a factory network reset or update the TV's firmware via USB or settings. These steps resolve corrupted network stacks. One key troubleshooting tip: power cycling the router often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.